Hello everyone, it's Susan Burns, your Portland makeup girl. Now I know there are so many makeup videos out there, but I don't have amazing skin. I have acne, and I think that's different in the perfect looking beauty community. I am here to show you how I got this look in under 10 minutes. If you have acne or an even skin tone, you are not going to want to miss this video. This is a full glam video in minutes. If you see or hear anything you want more details about, please just comment below. I would love to make up a separate video explaining the products I used in detail. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. My community is all about positivity and being yourself. Even if you are a little weird and awkward like me, go ahead and be a proactive person and go ahead and like this video now. I'm about to show you some amazing products for a quick glam. The powder that I started out using is the Skull Sugar Pressed Foundation Powder, which is a local Portland brand. I love supporting local, and I love that they use all natural products. This concealer is Morphe. I've recently fallen in love with this. I'm pretty sure it's like literally $8 or something. It's absolutely amazing. I used to always use the Tarte Shape Tape, which obviously I still love. It's a classic, die hard. I can never not love that, but this is a really good kind of dupe for it, I think. Alright, so after I have a really nice even base layer, I'm going to go through with some pressed powder and just apply that evenly all over my face. I have pretty oily skin, so I like to make sure that I am dry in the areas that I need to be dry at. So I'm just going to be doing a light contour, and by light I mean not light at all. It's a glam look. Go in on that. So I'm going to be doing just kind of the basic contour areas, and then using the darker shade in the palette, I kind of go everywhere. And then I also really like the blushes in this palette. I think are so pretty. They're really pretty kind of coral tones I'm loving right now. I personally think you can't have a really extreme glam look without a full contour, so go in on that nose, go in on your lips. It does look super crazy right now, but don't worry, we'll fix it with some powder. I'm going to be continuing the contour on my eyes with that same exact bronze shade that I used on my cheeks and my forehead, and I'm just going to be going in my crease and just kind of doing a base layer. So right now I'm adding the blush that I already talked about from the Ablaze palette, and now I'm going to be going through and doing some baking with that same Maybelline powder. This is my favorite powder ever for baking. I think it just makes the most precise looks. Underneath my eyes, I'm going to be adding the bronzer. Same exact bronzer, guys. I'm not pulling any tricks here. Same bronzer for everything. It's a one-all, do-all look. We're just adding a little bit of this Tarte Chrome paint, which, guys, go out and buy this now. This is the easiest way ever to turn your look so glam in just like literally seconds. I'm just literally putting my finger in this and just like wiping it on my eyes, and you guys will see it'll look super glam and really sparkly. Who out there has tried these before? I absolutely love it. I can't wait to go out and buy another shade. So now I'm just curling my lashes, and I'm going to be applying the Better Than Sex mascara. This is my all-time favorite. You cannot go wrong with this. Fun fact, I always buy the little one. I have like 20,000 little ones. I just find that the big one is way too hard to use, and I feel like it dries up super fast, but these little ones, they never do me wrong. So I did do my brows just a little bit before this video, but I just need to touch them up a little bit with the Morphe brow pencil. This was so inexpensive and one of my favorite products that I think I've ever purchased before. Normally I really struggle with brow products, but this one I find to not be that waxy, which I really like, and it just goes on super easily. Wiping away the baking, now I'm going to be contouring my lips a little bit like we already talked about. Again, this looks kind of dramatic, right? Like what? But after we apply the powder and the lipstick, totally blends in and looks a bit more natural. The lipstick I chose is from the same Skull Sugar line that we talked about. Portland made, all natural product. About this time, I'm realizing I forgot my highlighter. Literally, who am I? Of course, I'm using Ranch. I really wanted that kind of like old Hollywood glam type look. So yeah, I just added that on the center of my eye, my eyebrow bone, and my lip and my nose. You guys, literally favorite lip gloss of all time. This is a second product that I would immediately urge you to stop what you're doing and go out and buy. This stuff's absolutely amazing. I've tried it plain. I've tried it with pink lipstick. It looks great with absolutely everything, and clearly it's clear. It would look good on anyone. Go buy it now, guys. And just like that, so easy, we are literally done. I'm going through and just dabbing my beauty blender all over my face with a little bit of oil on it, just so I get that natural highlight, and adding a little bit more blush. But guys, how easy was this? Oh my gosh, I urge you all to do it. Tag me in your pictures. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.